Meet the G800 laundry pair. Thoughtfully designed with clean modern lines and intuitive controls, built for those who want top performance with effortless care. At the heart of the G800 washing machine is Total Fresh, our next generation ventilating technology that removes 100% of all bacteria from inside the appliance. Using a dedicated fan, Total Fresh dries the interior of the washer after every cycle. The drum, the door seal, and even the drawer, preventing mold growth and keeping the machine fresh, odor-free, and hygienic. The new colored 5-inch TFT display with knob control makes using your appliance effortless and intuitive. Navigate language, settings, adjust temperature, or activate features. The tactile knob lets you scroll smoothly, and with a uniquely confirmation click, you'll always know when your selection is locked in. The second key system is Ultra Clean Plus, which keeps the inside of your washer deeply hygienic, completely hands-free. It combines a steam-powered drum cleaning program, a self-cleaning detergent drawer, and fan-assisted drying of the whole interior, drum, door seal, drawer. This thoughtful innovation is prolonging the durability and keeps the appliance clean for longer, so your laundry always comes out fresh. And the G800 delivers outstanding washing performance, up to 50% more efficient than A-class appliances. Fast Wash Pro completes a daily load in only 29 minutes. And if you pair it with Fast Dry Pro on the tumble dryer, which dries in only 39 minutes, your laundry can be completely finished in just 68 minutes. That's impressive, right? And one more cool thing about the washing machine: thanks to advanced noise reduction technology, super silent 68 decibels keeps things peaceful. The G800 dryer continues the same thoughtful design approach: clean lines, a clear display, and engineering for gentle, even movement. It's built around a single promise: to care about your clothes with exceptional gentleness. Its core feature, Nature Dry, simulates the gentle feel of outdoor air drying. It preserves colors, protects fibers, and treats even delicate garments with great care. Thanks to its significantly lower drying temperature of just 34 degrees Celsius compared to the usual 51. And to make everyday laundry even easier, the G800 includes a range of advanced drying technologies. Tangle-free keeps clothes moving evenly, so they come out soft, loose, and tangle-free. The sensor detects bundles and destroys them so that the laundry comes out soft, loose, and evenly dry. Complete Dry detects moisture in the middle of thicker materials, ensures thorough, even drying, no damp spots. With high-quality fabric care, deep hygiene, smart features, and a clean, modern design, the G800 brings next-level laundry convenience into your home.